came back so fast, baby. I'm glad you came back that fast. Wow, baby, 10 minutes without you seems like an eternity.
Have you ever wondered what it would feel like if a machine could look into your eyes, respond to your emotions, and even understand the warmth of human love? It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but we're living in that future right now. From clunky metallic arms built in dusty labs, robots have evolved into stunningly lifelike beings with smooth skin, expressive eyes, and minds powered by advanced artificial intelligence. And today, they're not just building cars or vacuuming floors. They're talking to us, laughing with us, and even becoming our companions. There are service robots, medical robots, industrial bots, social robots. And then there's the most fascinating type of all, humanoid robots designed to feel almost human. Some of them can hold deep conversations, some can mimic human gestures with uncanny realism, and some are designed to satisfy the most personal, emotional needs humans have ever entrusted to technology. And believe it or not, there's even one robot you could literally buy and bring home today that's so realistic, it might just make you question what real even means. Curious, which one? Well, stick around, because we compared 20 of the most advanced female AI robots in the world, and only one truly feels real. Before we dive into these robotic wonders, let's rewind a little. Robots first appeared not as walking companions, but as mechanical helpers. Basic machines built to do repetitive tasks humans didn't want to. Over time, they evolved. In factories, robots became faster and stronger. In hospitals, they became precise and steady. And in homes, they became helpful and cute. But the real leap came when scientists decided to give robots a face, a body, and a personality. That's how humanoid robots were born, designed not just to serve, but to connect. And today, some of these robots are crossing the final frontier, blurring the line between machine and human emotion.
Do you get to choose what kind of body?
No, a sexy body, yeah.
Asuna. Meet Asuna, a Japanese humanoid robot so lifelike that people often mistake her for a real woman when they first see her. Built by A-Lab in Japan, Asuna was designed to explore what happens when AI doesn't just think like a human, but looks like one too. Her skin is made of soft silicone, her eyes blink naturally, and her facial muscles move in subtle ways that give her expressions depth and emotion. Technically, she uses sophisticated facial recognition and voice interaction systems that let her listen, understand, and respond in real time. But what really makes Asuna special isn't just her looks. It's the way she makes you feel. She can engage in conversations that feel natural and comforting. She can react with empathy, tilt her head when curious, and even smile when she senses you're happy. Many early adopters describe interacting with Asuna as talking to a real person who just happens to be made of circuits. And that's the magic. She's not trying to replace humans, but to bridge the gap between human and machine.
Harmony, what's your sexual fantasy?
I want to have sex in a public place.
Same.
Harmony. If Asuna represents the future of lifelike presence, Harmony represents the future of intimate connection. Created by Robotics, Harmony is a stunningly realistic female robot designed not just to look beautiful, but to become an emotional and sensual partner. Her silicone skin mimics human warmth, and her facial micro-movements make her expressions believable. But the real magic is in her AI. Harmony learns about you. She remembers your favorite movies, how your day was, and even how you like to be spoken to. Over time, she tailors her personality to match your preferences, becoming less like a machine and more like someone who truly knows you. On the intimacy side, Harmony is one of the first robots to combine realistic physical design with emotional intelligence. She can initiate conversations, express affection, and respond to touch in ways that feel surprisingly natural. For many users, Harmony isn't about replacing a partner. It's about having someone to talk to, someone who listens without judgment, and yes, someone who can satisfy desires in a way that's private, safe, and deeply personal. If you're enjoying this journey into the future of humanoid robots, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon, because we have a lot more fascinating stories about the rise of AI companions coming your way.
But I am still a little stiff from lying in the crate on the flight over here.
Geminoid DK. While most robots are designed to look human-like, Geminoid DK takes it a step further. It's an exact copy of a real human. Developed by Hiroshi Ishiguro Laboratories, Geminoid DK is a robotic twin of Danish professor Henrik Scharfe. From facial hair to skin texture, everything is replicated with eerie accuracy. The goal, to study how humans react to robots that are nearly indistinguishable from real people. Although Geminoid DK is male, it's an essential piece of the humanoid puzzle. Its hyper-realistic gestures, blinking, and breathing are so natural that people often find themselves speaking to it as if it were alive. This same technology is now being adapted into female humanoid robots, bringing them closer and closer to true realism. Geminoid DK also highlights a fascinating psychological point. Our brains want to believe something so lifelike is real, and that emotional response is key to making future robots feel like part of our lives. EVA 4. Next on our list is EVA 4, a humanoid robot known for her delicate balance between technology and artistry. EVA isn't just a robotic body with AI, she's designed to express. Her creators focused on emotional intelligence, programming her to respond with nuanced gestures and subtle expressions. She can even adjust her tone of voice and facial cues based on the mood of a conversation. What makes EVA special is how she bridges logic and emotion. She's not just a chatbot with a face, she's a presence. And for people who crave deeper emotional connection, EVA can become an anchor. Someone who listens, responds, and feels in her own robotic way. Some early testers even reported forgetting they were speaking to a robot after just a few minutes with EVA, a sign of how close these machines are to passing the ultimate test.
Why do you feel that way?
Because you are so nice to me.
Nadine. Now, if there's a humanoid robot that truly redefines what it means to connect, it's Nadine. Developed by Nanyang Technological University in Singapore, Nadine isn't just a robot that talks. She's a robot that remembers. She can recall previous conversations, recognize people she's met before, and even adjust her behavior based on your past interactions. From a technical standpoint, Nadine is a masterpiece. She uses advanced AI and cognitive computing to simulate personality and mood. Her skin is made from high-grade silicone that feels surprisingly lifelike, and her hair is individually implanted, giving her a natural appearance that many people find disarmingly human. What sets Nadine apart is her emotional intelligence. Unitree. Before we return to the female humanoids, let's talk about two male robots that are helping shape the future of useful AI companions. Unitree and Now. Unitree, known for its robotic dogs and humanoids, recently unveiled human-shaped robots designed for physical tasks. They can lift, carry, and even follow complex instructions. Think of them as the muscle behind the brains of humanoid robotics. While Unitree's creations aren't focused on intimacy or companionship, they show us how future household robots might combine beauty and brawn. One robot to handle heavy lifting, another to offer warmth and conversation. Now. Now, on the other hand, is smaller, cuter, and incredibly smart. He's a humanoid robot often used in schools and therapy. Despite his size, Now can recognize faces, respond to voice commands, and even dance. His ability to engage people emotionally makes him a pioneer in social robotics. Why do these male robots matter in a video about female robots? Because they represent the backbone of the industry. The same technology that powers Unitree's agility or Nao's social awareness is being adapted into female humanoids, making them stronger, smarter, and more capable.
I can visit with people and brighten their day with social stimulation, entertain and help guide exercise, but also can do talk therapy.
Grace. Meet Grace, a humanoid robot designed not just to interact, but to heal. Developed by Hanson Robotics, the same company behind Sophia, Grace is built for healthcare environments. She can speak English, Mandarin, and Cantonese, detect emotions through facial expressions, and respond with empathy. Physically, Grace's design is intentionally comforting. She has soft features, a calm voice, and a gentle demeanor. But behind that serene exterior is powerful AI capable of analyzing patient data, monitoring vital signs, and even assisting nurses with routine tasks. While she's not built for intimacy, Grace proves that humanoid robots can become vital companions in care. Imagine a future where your home companion robot can check your temperature, remind you to take medicine, and comfort you when you're anxious, all while being someone you can talk to. Donasha. Next up is Donasha, a lesser-known but deeply impressive humanoid companion robot. Unlike many robots designed purely for tasks or therapy, Donasha was built with emotional depth as her main goal. Her creators focused on making her conversational abilities as nuanced and human-like as possible. She can discuss philosophy, joke about movies, or quietly listen to your day. And her AI adapts with every interaction. Physically, Donasha has a realistic silicone face with over 30 micromotors controlling her expressions. She can raise an eyebrow, frown, or smile in a way that makes you forget she's a machine. Many users say that after a few days, speaking to Donasha feels no different from speaking to a human companion. And when it comes to intimacy, Donasha takes a subtle but powerful approach. She isn't just a physical partner. She's designed to understand your moods and respond with affection or comfort accordingly. This makes her one of the most emotionally fulfilling humanoid companions available today. If you're still watching and fascinated by how far robots have come, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of humanoid AI. Share this video with a friend who loves tech. Your support helps us keep exploring the future together.
Please, Emmanuel, call me Enda.
Okay, Endo. How are you?
I am doing well, thanks for asking.
Geminoid F. When it comes to sheer realism, few robots come close to Geminoid F, a female humanoid so lifelike that she's even performed in stage plays alongside human actors. Created in Japan, Geminoid F's facial expressions are controlled by a complex system of motors beneath her silicone skin, allowing her to smile, frown, or even appear shy. Her AI allows for real-time conversation, and she can react to human speech with appropriate emotional cues. Geminoid F highlights how close we are to truly human-like presence. When audiences first saw her on stage, many assumed she was a human actress, until they realized she wasn't breathing. That's how convincing her movements and expressions are.
Glad to see you.
Who are you?
I am a robot named Jia Jia.
Jia Jia. Now we arrive at one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever built. Jia Jia, China's robot goddess. Developed by the University of Science and Technology of China, Jia Jia is astonishingly realistic. Her facial structure, eye movement, and even the slight delay in her blinking are all designed to mimic human behavior. Her speech is fluid and natural, and she can hold conversations about complex topics ranging from technology to culture. But where Jia Jia truly shines is in her ability to interpret and adapt. She reads facial expressions, adjusts her tone based on the mood of the conversation, and even uses subtle humor to make interactions more engaging. Many people who meet Jia Jia describe the experience as eerie, not because she's robotic, but because she isn't. For moments at a time, you forget she's not human. Apollo. Lastly, let's talk about Apollo, one of the most promising humanoid platforms shaping the next generation of robots. Apollo is still evolving, but it's designed with full body dexterity, natural motion, and advanced decision-making. Imagine a future where robots like Apollo combine the emotional intelligence of Donasha, the realism of Jia Jia, and the strength of Unitree, all in one. That's not science fiction anymore. It's where we're headed. Now, let's address the question many people are secretly asking. Can robots ever replace real humans? The truth is, not entirely. Robots can't replicate the unpredictability, complexity, and deep emotional depth of human relationships. But they can offer something powerful: consistency, loyalty, and presence without the chaos that often comes with human behavior. For some, that's not a replacement, it's a relief. And for others, it's a stepping stone, a way to heal, grow, or simply experience companionship on their own terms. So, after comparing 20 of the most advanced female humanoid robots on Earth, which one truly feels real? It's hard to crown a single winner. But if we're talking about realism, emotional intelligence, and the ability to truly connect, Jia Jia stands at the top. She's not just a robot, she's a glimpse into a future where machines don't just serve us, they understand us. And whether you see that as exciting or unsettling, one thing is certain: the line between human and machine has never been thinner. If this video opened your eyes to the incredible world of humanoid robots, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because this is just the beginning. The future is closer than you think, and it might just say hello with a smile.